So when you have a cold and cough, best remedy that Mother Nature has given. Simple remedies like, steaming with a few drops of eucalyptus oil, mint leaves, very potent. Adults can do jal neti. Jal neti is basically a neti pot, with salt and water. You use it to flush your sinuses, to get the bacteria out and the mucus out. Something that you yourself do, ajwain, which is carom seeds. You just roast it on a pan, put it in a small poultice bag or a kerchief, and then use it to sniff. Carom seeds has an anti-inflammatory effect on the sinus glands immediately. So when you have a cold and cough, honey is the best remedy that Mother Nature has given.